Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by provisioning access. Create a Google Cloud project and enable the Cloud Translation API because Excel needs an authorized endpoint to translate text. Once done, generate an API key and restrict it for safety. Store the key where you can copy it. Next, open Excel and confirm you have Power Query, data right arrow get data. Now you're ready to call the API from Excel. Don't delay on minor settings. We'll use the key in a query to translate cells directly. Now build the request. Open Power Query and create a new blank query to call web. Contents against the translate endpoint because this handles authentication and returns JSON. You'll pass the API key and a payload specifying queue your text, source, and target languages. This lets Google translate in bulk. Once the call returns, expand the JSON response and extract the translated text field. Make sure to test with a short string first, so you can confirm the mapping before applying to large tables. Finish by loading the translated column back to your worksheet and applying any trimming or formatting. This makes the translations ready for use. Once done, implement batching or throttling to respect quotas and reduce costs, and cache translations to avoid repeated API calls. If something goes wrong, check the API key is active, billing is enabled, and your requests match the required JSON or URL format. Incorrect parameters or exhausted quotas are the most common.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.